Let's do an MCAT problem. Problem 1. In a population at Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, the frequency of the allele for albinism, a recessive trait, is 0.01. What is the expected frequency of individuals who are heterozygous carriers of the allele? All right, so the way that we address this question is to first ask what they want us to find. They wanted the frequency of individuals. This is important because the very first thing we have to distinguish in Hardy-Weinberg problems is, are they asking us about the frequency of the allele? Kind of like saying if 1% versus 99% are the recessive trait versus the dominant trait, is not the same question as asking whether the individuals with a genotype have a specific frequency. For example, the frequency of a person who has both copies of the recessive trait is 0.01 times 0.01, while the frequency of the person who has both dominant characteristics is 0.99 times 0.99, or Q squared. The frequency of the individual who has the allele combination P and Q is the P times Q, 0.01 times 0.99, times 2, because there's two ways to do that. You can have a P and a Q, or a Q and a P. So in the Hardy-Weinberg formula, you get 2pq as the frequency of the heterozygous individual. And the answer here would be D.